Here guys, we are at the initial stages for the staircase lighting. As you can see, first we are doing the piping because the stairs was not, the piping was not done. So we came in when the piping was not done. So for now, we need to do the piping. And after the piping, we shall levelize the ground so that they can install the wooden staircases. Then we shall be providing the motion sensors for the stairs. In that, when you are using the stairs, the sensor will sense the motion. Then the lights will start lighting going up. So these are the first stages that we do. We do the pipe work. So after the pipe work, these are the pipes that our cables will go through. And remember, every stairs must have a single independent cable. So each cable will be running up to the controller. So each steps, like for us here, we have like 20 steps, which means we will have 20 feeder cables at which every cable will be feeding every step. And also at the end here, we'll be having two cables, for one which will be for the light, and the second cable which will be for the sensor, because the sensor will be placed somewhere at the corner here, where we'll be having at that wood at the corner. So when someone is coming from this position, the sensor will just sense the movement, and the lights will start going on, switching on up to the top. And when you go up, the lights will start automatically switching off, going up like that. So continue watching this video till the end so that we can see the progress and how we do this amazing. So my people, you can see now we have installed the pipes, and now we are in the process of drawing in the cables. As you can see, every step has its independent cable. So each cable will be going up to the controller, which will be controlling the steps according to the motion or movement around. So like here, you can see we have two communication cable. Here we are using alarm cables. It's a focal alarm cable. This one, it's a focal alarm cable, because the light that we are going to use is a DC type of light, and you can see each cable will be just feeding one step. So they'll be very, very low voltage and very, very low watts according to each step. So that's cable, it's okay for that. Then you can see each stairs has one cable, each stairs a single cable. So we are continuing drawing at these other stairs. As you can see, this is the cables that we are using. The cables that we are using, you can see we have a lot of cables here. Like for here, you can see there are many, but they could be more than this. Remember, we have already drew other half of it. So like these are 9. I think these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10, which means we have already took another 10 cables down. So we decided to divide this by 2, because if we were to draw all of them, it could be at least challenging, because they can mix up. Then when you are doing your drawing, it can be very difficult for you to do it. So continue watching the video up to the end. I think I will, for this one, I will show you up to when we will be installing the lights. But in the next video, I'll show you how the lights are working. So for now, continue watching and enjoying the video. So guys, we are here. These are our stairs. You remember when we were doing the piping at the stairs? As you can see, the piping we were doing to provide the cables, to provide the route for the cables. The cables that we are going to use are these type of cables. Some of you may call it alarm cables. You see, this one are the type of cables that we are using. As you can see, each step has one cable. Each step has one cable. Each step has one cable. I don't know where for this is. I think here is a problem. We need to check. Okay. So each step has a cable, as you can see. Now, for these cables, we will be connecting a light at every step. These cables are to enable you that every light lights up individually. Every light will be lighting up individually. And also you can see we have a profile in there. We have an aluminum profile in there. So, and for these steps, as you can see, the last step here, the last step, we have two cables. We have two separate cables, as you can see. The reason why we have these two is because one cable will be for feeding the light, for feeding for our strip light, the same with the other ones, and the next cable will be for connecting the sensor, so that when we'll be coming from this side, when you reach near here, that sensor will sense that movement, then the lights will start turning on, going all the way up. So that sensor will communicate with the controller. So these are the controller. As you can see, here we have a controller. We have a DC controller here. You see, the output is 12 volts or 24 volts, and for our light, it's 24 volts. As you can see, our light is for 24 volts. So, and for this controller, it's a DC controller, so it will need DC power. You see, input is DC. So this controller, you can't connect it to an AC. An AC, I mean alternating current. So we'll need to change that alternating current into a direct current. That's why we have this LED power supply. This power supply here, as you can see, it's a 400 watts, 24 volts power supply. This one convert AC power into DC power. So our AC power will be connected into this gadget here. Then that will convert our power into DC. The DC will feed this controller here. And this controller, as you can see, it has 32 steps. It has 32 ports. Let me turn it like this. You see, here is the 32nd step. So this controller can control up to 32 steps. So for our stairs here, I think we have around 20 steps, if I'm not wrong. I have not yet counted. So we'll be using those 20 ports in here. So we will start from number 1. Our first cable for the first step will go to the negative, will go to number 1 here. The negative will go to number 1 here, as you can see. Let me put it here. Those cables will be having negative and positive. So number 1, the cable for step number 1 will be connected to this number 1, positive to this number 1. Step number 2, going all the way up to 20 steps. So after that, when you have finished doing that, we have the sensor here. This one sensor will connect it to this cable here, one sensor, and another sensor will connect it to another step that is here. You see here, we have also two cables there. So one cable is for the light, the other cable is for the sensor. So when you are coming from this side here, when you step onto that step, the lights will start turning on, going all the way down. And remember, when you are going down, the lights will be lighting, but wherever you are coming from, the area where you are from up here, the light will start switching off automatically. So here there is no need for you turning on or off the lights. The sensor will just do the job for you. So let us start doing our work and connecting the lights so that you can see the progress here. So as you can see, these are the cables that we need to use. You see we have separated them. These two will be for positive, for negative. These two for positive. The same thing down here, positive and negative. Guys, now here is our staircase. As you can see, we have already installed the LED strip light. So let us test it. So we have a sensor down here. This the small thing that you see is shining, that one, it's a sensor. So we are going to mount it somewhere very neat. So this sensor will only be sensing motion. So like when I come, you see, when I come, it starts to sense. So it will be going, you see, the more I go up, the more it lights. You see, the more I go up, the more it lights. The more I go up, the more it lights. You can see it. It lights all the way. So also it will switch off automatic. Oh, there's a guy coming. Peter too. So it will start switching off itself after the motion, after you have passed. So you can see now it's going off, going off, going off by itself up to the last step. So when you, for example, when you will be coming from this side, from this upper side, we have a sensor. The moment you step at this step, it will start lighting, you see. As you go all the way down. That's what's up. That's what's up. This one is we'll connect it. I think the technician who was installing the wooden stairs forgot to remove our cable here. So there's a way how we'll make a small hole, then we take off our cable to connect to this one so that this step can light. So that's what's up. That's what's up now. So let me do it again. It has to sense. Then it starts going all the way up. You can see how beautiful it is. This one at least is modern than those normal lights that we were using at initially at the stairs. Like we place only one light at the center of the stairs there. You can see this one is a bit beautiful and modern than the other staircase lights that were being used for a long time. So that's what's up, guys. So thank you for watching my channel, and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are new here, I have a number in my bio there if you want to contact for modern electrical installation. Yeah, we do electrical installation, we do alarm system, we do automated gates, we do cameras. So The number is on the bio there. You can contact so that we do modern work. So thank you guys, till we meet next time. Bye bye.